today we are on a recipe. Health talk. Yeah. Recipe: what to take in the morning as your breakfast, what to take in the afternoon as your lunch, what to take in at night as dinner. After this, you check the way your health, how you feel and how you will look in the next 3 to 6 months. So, what are you saying? You say the Nigerian economy, this, that. Yeah, we can still survive. Let me just give you small hints. Now, you can take pap and beans in the morning. Those of us who say they don't want beans, my sister, my brother, take style, eat them. It's very, very good. Eat what will benefit you, what will, help you. Yeah. Beans and pap, normal. An average Nigerian can provide that. An average Nigerian can provide beans and pap. Now, it depends on which side are you in Nigeria, which part of Nigeria. Like, if you're in the north, gero, dawa, corn, masara, and the rest of them. You can use that to make your pap. Different kind of pap. Now, you can cook your beans very well. Cook it nice. You can add a much onion or spring onion. Yeah, to even make it inviting. You can make it invite after putting the main onion. Now you can use the spring onion to decorate your beans. Yeah, very, very important. That is in the morning. Beans and pap. Very good. Because sometimes too much of taking tea, Milo and the rest of them, they do yourself good. Can take another one, rice and vegetable. Your vegetable can be, if you can provide salad, but salad is it depends on what you call salad. Being rice and maybe jollof rice or with sauce, or rice and stew, or jollof rice with spinach, alejo. Yeah, spinach, you can use it maybe with your little tatasai and other things. Some will say, what is tatasai? Is red bell pepper. You know what red bell pepper does to your skin? Do you know what it does to your skin? Red bell pepper, tomato, and other pepper, you blend it, you do your sauce or your stew. Now, your spinach, you don't have to heat spinach cook it till when maybe it has changed color brown. No, make sure when you're cooking your vegetable, it's still retaining its color. Its color, yes, very important. Don't forget, our lunch is rice and stew, or rice and vegetable. If you like, it can be rice and beans, but with small vegetable. If I tell you salad now, you say salad is expensive. You can use spinach. An average Nigerian can have, anywhere you go, they can give you spinach for little amount of money. Yeah, I hope you get that one. Now, dinner, you can take, if you can, I know that some people will say plantain or whatever. You can get yam or sweet potato. If you cannot get yam, sweet potato, you can get it. You can mix it with vegetable. Or rather, if you don't want, you can as well take maybe swallow that's for your lunch. You eat swallow, either two, any of the two, with miyan kuka, or maybe with egusi soup, or draw soup, okra, which is very, very okay. You can take your eba and okra. Any swallow can do, either eba or This one, semovita with okra soup, or depending on the kind of soup you want, or granite soup even. Then your dinner, you can take something light, something very light. When I say very light, it depends. Though some people they want to also eat rice. Now you can eat rice even at dinner, but you can as well eat it like join it maybe with vegetable. Yeah, if you are able to afford plantain, it's very also good. It's very good too. It's very good when you maybe yeah, or you take something like sweet potato and sauce. I didn't say you should fry it. If you can't fry it at night, and or you can maybe boil it. Have you ever tasted boiling sweet potato? Now, when you get the sweet potato, wash it, boil it, even with the skin. Yeah, wash it and boil it with the skin. Then when you want to eat, you peel it. Do sauce of any type, tomato of any type can do. Now, vegetable, you can put spinach or you can put spring onion. Yeah, for the sauce of that potato. Any Nigerian, an average Nigerian can afford these things I just mentioned to you. As in, if you want to boil potato and sauce at dinner. Then, what are you saying? We have zobo. You can make your zobo drink very, very simple. Very simple. Let your wife or my gender, mommy, ladies, you can do zobo. Then put it in your refrigerator, When dinner or lunch is served, you can take it. Yeah, very medicinal. You can take that one. If you decide to take semovita at night, make sure you are eating it not too late as a dinner, maybe with vegetable. Yeah, you can still do that, but make sure it's not immediately when you want to go to bed. That is my point. Going to bed immediately, eating swallow heavy food, I don't advise that. But make sure when you want to eat as dinner, you're taking a light one so that when you go to bed, it will not disturb you. Why some it does not disturb them, but they are still okay with that. But I am talking about how you eat and continuously your belly will not be too big, as in you run out of shape. These things are very important. Take note of them. What you take in can show on your skin, usually. Yes. What you take in. That's why I introduced Zobo for you. Zobo is very, very good, and especially how it's being prepared. How that Zobo, that drink, it can be carrot drink or anything, but I'm telling you, they are very, very important. They are better than all these our drink, Coke and the rest of it. It's not a bad market for them. But it's not really good. When you take natural drink, very, very important. So don't forget to share, like, and comment. I'm waiting for you at the comment section. Bye bye.